Lesson 2. What AI literacy is and why it matters. AI literacy is not about coding. It is not about understanding math or programming. It is not about being a developer or a technical person. AI literacy means three things: understanding what AI can do and what it cannot, knowing how to direct it to get results that are actually usable, being able to evaluate what it gives back and know whether to trust it. That is the whole definition. Three things. Most people who use AI every day are missing two of the three. The difference between an AI user and an AI literate person is not which tool they use. It is what they get out of it. An AI user types a question, gets an answer, moves on. They are using AI the same way they used a search engine. An AI literate person builds an interaction. They tell AI who it is, what the goal is, who the output is for, what format it should come back in, what it should not do. They evaluate what comes back. They refine it. They get a result that is actually ready to use. Same tool, completely different outcomes. Here is the honest truth about what most people are experiencing with AI. They are getting mediocre results and blaming the tool. The tool is not the problem. When you give AI a vague instruction, it gives you a vague result. When you give it context, a clear goal, and a specific format, it gives you something almost ready to use. The quality of your AI output is a direct reflection of your AI literacy. That ceiling is not AI's ceiling, it is yours, and it moves the moment your literacy moves. AI literacy matters right now because the gap between people who have it and people who do not is growing every single month. People who know how to direct AI are producing more, solving more, finishing more, and reaching more people than they ever could alone. People without that skill are not standing still. They are falling behind relative to everyone around them who is building it. This is not a warning about some distant future. This is a description of what is happening today, in your field, in your industry, among the people you work alongside. The window to build this skill, while it still gives you a real advantage, is open right now. It does not stay open forever. This course exists to close the gap, not to teach you how to open a chatbot. Anyone with a phone can do that. To teach you how to think with AI. Do not be conformed to this world, but be transformed by the renewing of your mind. Romans 12:2. That verse is not just theology, it is strategy. The person who learns to think differently about AI will produce different results than everyone around them. Renewing how you think is where AI literacy actually begins. If you let the Spirit lead you through this course, AI literacy is yours.